Richer and more powerful than ever, underpinned by its influence networks, the pharmaceutical industry stands unchallenged in its ability to dictate government health policies.
The pharmaceutical industry's main concern is now profit. Their concern is shareholders, not patients.
The battle against the COVID-19 pandemic has further whet the pharma companies' appetite. Has the pharmaceutical industry's thirst for profit become a threat to our public health systems?
Since the beginning of these lockdowns, we've seen small businesses permanently close and big businesses swallow the market share of those shut down businesses. How come your local mom and pop bakery, grocery, and salons are forced to close, while big box stores like Walmart, Sobeys, and Whole Foods stay open? At some point during this pandemic, we probably had to use Amazon to order household supplies, as there was no easy alternative. So who are the winners of this pandemic, and who are the losers? Some people may believe that big box stores are the winners. As these lockdowns financially weaken their smaller competitors, small businesses do not have enough capital to sustain their high operating costs during the lockdown measures. However, the true winners are the pharmaceutical companies producing the vaccines. Pfizer BioNTech, to the date of this video, is charging America $19.50 per dose. The United States has a population of 333 million. The goal is to inject everyone with at least 2 doses. That's approximately $13 billion the government needs to spend. Why does the government allow the pharmaceutical companies to independently produce their own vaccines? Shouldn't these companies be sharing research in cooperation to produce the most effective vaccine if we are in a pandemic and our survival is at stake? Easy. Our survival is not important compared to the prosperity of the ruling class. Government decisions are political. We are ruled by the rich. Every powerful member of the Senate or Parliament is wealthy. How do they get their wealth? From multiple incomes. And I'm certain one of those incomes are from investments. Investments of those same big businesses or big box companies that coincidentally are doing financially well in the pandemic. You can see the conflict of interest. Furthermore, Sputnik V was the first pandemic vaccine produced, but was met with huge media criticism. Rather than work cooperatively for humanity's sake, companies such as Oxford AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Janssen all decided to independently develop their own product. The only reason for this occurrence is to maximize their profits. Products produced in partnership usually yield less economic value. Why would a company split their profits and share their market with a competitor when they don't have to? We, the people, the citizens of this planet, are the losers in this global fiasco. We will lose our freedoms, we will lose our livelihoods, and we will lose our health. We are nothing more to these giant pharmaceutical companies than chips on the table, meant to be won in this world-scale poker game. Our health and well-being is an afterthought. This is the world we live in now.